Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, and actually another two pair of shoes that I don't think I like, but let me explain. So when I did the unboxing of the Comme des Garçons Terminators, I told you that Strings and Stuff had a great sale and that I missed two pair of Air Jordan 2 that was on sale. And I bought another pair of shoes with a broken box. And I took the time to check out what was on sale in my size. And in my size on sale were two pair of Jordan Air Ship. And the color of the shoes is the colors you can see on the boxes, but let me talk about the Air Ship first. So I really like these a lot. Like, it's one of the best shoes in a long time, one of the best shoes for 2023. I like them a lot. And after these, the next good ones were the red ones and the blue ones that I couldn't get my hands on, and they are still available in some sizes but not in all sizes. Let me take a seat. So let's talk some more about the Jordan Air Ship. They have released in more colorways, and things got me curious because when explaining them to other people, even I got the question, hey, why do they all call SP or PE? And I believe that they are all called both SP and PE. And SP stands for Special Project and PE stands for Player Edition. And Player Edition, yeah, okay, fine. The breads that Jordan played in, we can call them Player Edition. A Special Project, what's the deal? So here's the deal that I learned. In this booklet, we can see that the shoes have way bigger sole, more or less the sole of an Air Force One. I just wanted to show you. So here you can see, yeah, it's the sole of an Air Force One. And since the Air Ship is a segue between the Nike Air Force One and the Air Jordan 1, we got a lot of things in common with the Air Jordan 1. I showed you that in a video earlier. And the sole of these that we can buy now have the sole strictly from Air Jordan 1. And that's why they are called a player exclusive, because even though Michael Jordan never played in this colorway, this is the University Golden, I think it's called, and Pine Green. Even though Michael Jordan never played in this colorway, this look of the shoe was the shoe design that he played in, with this sole, the Air Jordan 1 sole. So that's why they are called player exclusive. And then Special Project, I guess the whole thing of being a prototype test shoe for Nike and Michael Jordan to create the Air Jordan 1, I guess that's the Special Project. So that's it. That's why all of these Air Ship are called, first of all, not Nike Air Ship, they're called Jordan Air Ship. And they are called Special Project SP, Player Exclusive PE. All of them. And this colorway was actually sold back then, 84, maybe even 85. So this colorway is a retro drop, but then I'm guessing it had the Air Force One sole. It should have had. If I find a picture of them, I will drop that or put it in the video. So I like the shoe. They, just as I expected, they have replaced the Air Jordan 1 Mid. And not replaced, but they have taken that place of a retro basketball shoe that works with everything, that is comfortable, and that is worth the money. Yeah. So I really like the Airship, and buying them on sale, come on, I gave 80 euro, which is more or less $80 for them. 80 and 80. So I got them for half the price. I'm sort of sour still that I paid resale, more or less resale, for those. But it looks like they are also going to end up on sale, and then I'm getting me another pair of those because they are great. So back to these shoes, I saw on the pictures that they will absolutely not have the same leather quality as the gray ones. And yeah, this is just like your Air Jordan 1 mids. They don't have the best leather. Or like the Dunks. Nothing wrong. Just nothing particular bad. I wouldn't call them pleather like the Air Force One, but it's the Air Jordan 1 mid or the Nike Dunk kind of leather. So with that said, these should only cost those $110, 110 euros. But it is what it is. Things cost a lot of money today, and I'm glad I could buy them on sale. Because the retail price here in Sweden, 160 euro, I wouldn't pay that for these. And the gray ones, I'm irritated that I paid 200 something euro. But yeah, so another thing that I learned, because when I did a video about the gray ones, I'm still pointing there, was that I liked them, I was excited about them, but I've seen a bunch of videos before I did my own unboxing video. So I was sort of, is this all people is super hyped about? I didn't get that, but having them on foot, using them, I just like them more and more and more. And one thing I really like about the Airship, you see this thing? Most shoes, people hate it when I do that on my videos, but when you bend it, the toes crease. And that's why I don't like the Air Force One, especially the low ones, because that hurt. But look at this. You see this part with the rubber here? This is what are taking most of the flex. Oh, yeah, the toe will absolutely bend as well, but they will crease less and they are more comfortable. And for us with wide feet, having this flexible part there is great, absolutely great. So what I don't like about them, the green, yeah, it's okay. Yellow, I got a bunch of yellow shoes, but I'm very, very used to them. The taxis, these are great because of the sail white leather. The sail white leather is always great, so I should use them more. These I don't care about at all, but I more or less only use my shoes once anyway, so here we have them, nothing special at all, great deal on sale, a good shoe in general because they are comfortable, more comfortable than our Air Jordan 1 mid, absolutely more comfortable than Air Force One, more comfortable than a Nike Dunk. So I really like the Jordan Airship. Swallow creases better, bends better, better if you have wide feet, and looks like an Air Jordan 1 more or less. So it fits all ages, all sexes. They are great. So I really promote the Jordan Air Ship in general. And the colorways, I'm pretty sure these are called University something. University Golden. Yeah, University Gold. And these are pine green. And this is a retro, more or less. They're not called retro anywhere, but this pine green colorway was released in 84, maybe it was 85. So yeah, come on, 80 euro. 80 euro for a pair of shoes. I don't think I have ever bought shoes that cheap. And as you see all the time, they come with matching color laces or the white laces. And my initial thought was to have them sort of like a discreet everyday shoe, like a beater. But the colors are very popping. So why not have the colorful laces on them? And you so you understand, this is not one pair. This is one of each shoe. So with all this said, I really think you should try the Jordan Air Ship. And since they are on sale on sneakers and stuff, and probably a bunch of other sites as well, go get yourself a pair. The gray ones are excellent. The blue ones, red ones as well, I think, as they have shown on the videos. These are just good enough. See them as your standard Air Jordan 1 mids with the quality, and yeah, but they are actually more comfortable than that, because the sole in these are way thicker, way softer than your standard Air Jordan 1 actually, and absolutely than the Air Jordan 1 mids. So yeah, I really promote the Jordan Air Ship. Now I'm actually looking forward to using these ones. So if you have any questions about these shoes, or shoes in general, or whatever, I'm getting tired, just ask me. I'm glad to help. I'm glad to answer. I'm glad to use my sneaker nerdage. I'm tired. Good night. See you in the next video.